Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access the Phillip Allan magazines on and off campus. On the Library Canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-Resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Archives icon. Now on the Archives page, just scroll down until you come across the Review logo and then click on that. Now on the Phillip Allan Magazine Archive page, just click on the Review icon to access this e-resource. You should now find yourself on the following page where you're being asked for your username, password and Centre ID number. You will find these details back on the written guide for this e-resource, and once you enter in those details, just click on the Login button to complete the process to access the Phillip Allan Magazine e-resource on and off campus.